have a unique award-winning aroma diffuser to look at today. It's the MIPOW VASO, and it allows you to add water without lifting the cover or disassembling anything. This is the MIPOW VASO aroma diffuser. It has a few cool features that make it quite unique. It is the first aroma diffuser that allows you to add water without taking off the cover or disassembling the unit. It also has a built-in sound machine that allows you to have the option of hearing nature sounds. Another feature worth noting is that it can function as a mini vase. This product has won the 2018 IF and Red Dot Design Award. This unit holds 150 milliliters of water. You just use the included measuring cup, right here, and pour the water into the top. You can add essential oils in there too, since this can also be used as a diffuser with the misting function. We're going to take a look at the controls. Alright, so here's a better look at the controls. As you can tell, there are two buttons, mist and sound. There are two mist modes, steady mist and intermittent mist. It has an auto shut off when the water runs out, which is great, so you don't hear this humming noise or it breaks or something like that. It can last up to 16 hours when filled and used in intermittent mode. It offers 5 relaxing sounds as well, which I will toggle through. So the 5 relaxing sounds, all you have to do is press the button. I will show you those in a little bit. This has an elegant, clean design that will look good on almost any table or shelf. It would be perfect to use with meditation, Tai Chi, or yoga. Now I'm going to put some water in and we can take a look at this a little bit better. Now, what makes that so much different from any other diffuser I've used is that it was extremely easy. I did not have to take off the cap, I didn't have to fumble it around or anything. All I had to do was fill up the container and put the water in. Alright, so I'm going to add a couple drops of essential oil before we turn this on. Alright, I've got some honeysuckle since it's nice and spring right now. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on now, and all you do is hold the mist button for that to turn on. It does start off with your first nature sound when you do this. Alright, the next one. Alright, the next one. And the last is to turn it off. There's a total of 5 sounds that you can toggle through and pick your favorite. So another cool function of this device is to be able to use it as a vase. Now, you can place your desired plant with where you had placed your water and your essential oil, and voila. It's very simple, elegant, and multifunctional. I've never seen a diffuser before that can also take a flower, a plant, or whatever you would like to accent your piece, basically. As you could tell, this is a very simple, elegant design that would fit any type of home decor, maybe even office decor if you were to be able to take one there. Already with the honeysuckle and everything, the mist, it smells great, and this is my favorite diffuser so far. I like this a lot. You can also interchange your flowers. It's very, very, very simple. Changed it to a nice white flower. Also, what comes with your diffuser package is the diffuser itself, a USB plug charger, the measuring cup to fill up the diffuser, the user manual, and 100% satisfaction guarantee for a full refund or replacement within 30 days of issues. There's also a 12-month warranty with friendly customer service. There's also, what I just noticed is that there is a nice little amber light on the front. That would probably help to know if it's turned on, or maybe even a hint of a night light, something like that. It's nice, it's small, it's elegant, it's very simple, and it's a very modern design. That'd be great for any type of home. Alright, so that is all we have today on the MIPOW VASO. Please check the description section below for more information. Thanks for watching.